Humans are not capable of having 100% control over what's happening in traffic. And when adding the stress of increasing efficiency and availability demands, the strain can become too great and have devastating consequences. This, however, can be avoided. VOLVO Technologies' research is based upon finding smart safety and information systems that ease the handling of information for the driver by giving him the correct information at the right time in the right way, and thereby save lives. In this specific situation, the vehicle detects that the driver is approaching an intersection and postpones certain output messages to the driver. Only by integrating all safety, productivity and entertainment systems present in the vehicle can we achieve a safe driver environment. That's why VOLVO is a driving force within international EU research projects like PREVENT, AID, GST, ESIS and others, showing that even in the future, VOLVO will retain its place as one of the world's safest vehicle manufacturers. Some of the systems, like the lane keeping support, have partly been developed in our driving simulator. The lane keeping support system helps the driver to stay on the road. With the help of a camera mounted in the center of the windscreen inside the cab, the system detects the truck's position in the lane. Should anything distract the driver that causes the truck to drift outside the lane, the system immediately detects this and warns the driver by applying a force and a vibration to the steering wheel, helping the driver to easily bring the truck back into the lane. With sensors mounted on the truck's front, it's possible to detect moving objects in the blind spot directly in front of the truck. Should the driver not perceive the warning in the display and try to accelerate, the motor will not respond, and a more intense warning symbol appears in the display. The collision mitigation system detects and warns the driver, both acoustically and visually, for possible rear-end collisions, but will also autonomously apply the brakes if an accident is imminent and therefore mitigate the accident. You can imagine the consequences of a real crash without the collision mitigation system. When the collision mitigation system is active, the driver is warned when a collision is likely. If the driver fails to react and a collision is imminent, the system helps by automatically applying the brakes. Thanks to this system, the effect of the collision to both vehicles and occupants can be significantly reduced. By combining GPS and digital map data, the curve speed warning system knows exactly where the truck is located. If the truck is approaching a curve at too high a speed, the driver receives a sharp curve warning and a speed recommendation in the display to help him pilot the vehicle through the curve without any rollover risk. It's becoming common that more and more different systems are integrated into our cars and trucks. This demands a well-grounded technical architecture. We are convinced that only integrated and coordinated safety and HMI systems with the ability to continuously judge situations can help the driver to cope with the demands and challenges of today's traffic environment. In order to deal with drowsiness and fatigue, the driver will be notified when it's time to take a break, so he doesn't risk falling asleep at the wheel. Nor should the driver have more buttons and dials than he is capable of keeping track of. And he should receive the right information at the right time and in the right way. Our research shows that this is possible. With assistance from all of our integrated safety and HMI systems, we create a safer working environment for the driver. We help him to drive safely and save lives.